Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am making for you one of those easy dishes that we make in Jamaica. I'm making cabbage and saltfish. So here I have your saltfish, cabbage and carrots. I have tomatoes, garlic, escallion, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper. I think you can see them all here. Tomato, thyme also. Scotch bonnet pepper, escallion or green onions, white onion, carrots, cabbage, garlic, and that's basically everything in your dish. Also the cabbage. I have here preheated about quarter cup of olive oil, pretty hot, and I'm gonna add all my ingredients. Saltfish. And remember guys, when you're prepping your meals, I went ahead and did most of my pre-prep before I started the video. It makes it so much easier and faster, and because this is such an easy dish, you can always just do the whole thing together. Your seasonings and your cabbage and carrots. That's good. There is enough salt inside of the saltfish, whereas you do not need to add any salt to your dish. If for any reason after boiling the saltfish out you realize that it's not as salty as you would like it, then you can add a pinch of salt, but do not add that until after you have tasted the dish. Also, do not add any water to your dish. Cabbage generates its own water, and you don't want anything saggy or soupy to eat. So here, just getting the saltfish off the bottom of the pot, and then I'm gonna cover this over. And allow it to steam. And that's basically your dish. I will show you when it is finished, but it's really a very easy dish. Your saltfish, you just boil the saltfish in water, and then you clean it off, you shred and remove. I remove all the bones. It's a habit. when you're eating my meal, you do not have to check for bones when I'm cooking saltfish. So you remove the bones from the saltfish and you shred it, set that aside. You wash all your vegetables, you shred your cabbage, chop your cabbage first, and then wash that and drain it, and then you shred the cleaned carrot into the container. Do not shred the carrot and then wash them together. Wash your carrots after, and then you add them together. You can shred them together. So let's wait a couple minutes and then I'll be right back. Just for show, I have removed the camera from the stand, and I'm showing you just how much the water is already forming on the pot cover, which is why I said do not add any water to your cabbage. You do not need to add additional water. Once you wash it and it's still a little wet, you're fine. And also remember, do not overcook your cabbage. You do not need it to be soft. Cabbage is something that you can eat raw, so you do not need to cook it for a very long time. You can cook it for about 7 or 8 minutes and you should be good. So this is the end result, guys. As you can see, it is still pretty firm, and it's nice and pretty and colorful cabbage because of the carrot and the tomatoes and everything that's in it. If you want to add bell peppers, feel free to do so. They're also really delicious in it, but my son does not really like bell peppers and seasonings. Happy cooking, happy eating, guys. And this right here is your finished dish. So we have plantains and your meal. And for the non-plantain eater. Now I can say happy eating, guys.